You know that one person who sleeps at 2 a.m., wakes up at 7 and says, "Bro, I am fresh." Meanwhile, you sleep for 8 hours, wake up, and feel like your body updated, but the software did not load. So today, let's talk about a mystery that has broken friendships, office productivity, and morning alarms. Why do some people function better on less sleep? And no, they are not superheroes. They are not lying. And they are definitely not built different. Well, actually, they kind of are. First thing first, sleep is not one size fits all. Think of sleep like charging phones. Some phones hit 100% in 40 minutes, some need 3 hours and still overheat. Same with humans. Some people's brains finish their repair work faster. They get deep sleep quickly. So even 6 hours feels enough. Meanwhile, some of us take 1 hour just to stop overthinking what we said in 2016. Second reason, sleep quality beats sleep quantity. 6 hours of solid deep sleep is way better than 8 hours of tossing, turning, checking the time, and suddenly scrolling reels at 3:14 am. People who function well on less sleep usually fall asleep fast, stay asleep, wake up without fighting their alarm like it's a villain. That's not luck, that's good sleep quality. Third reason, routine. You will notice these people sleep and wake up at almost the same time every day. Boring routine, no drama, their body clock knows exactly what to do. Meanwhile, if you sleep at 11 one day, 2 the next, and 5 am on the weekends, your body is confused, not lazy. Another big factor, stress. A calm mind needs less recovery. If your brain isn't carrying stress, anxiety, and imaginary arguments at night, your sleep works better. But if your mind is running Netflix level drama while you are in bed, even 9 hours won't feel enough. Now, important reality check. Just because some people function well on less sleep does not mean everybody should try it. If you sleep less and feel irritated, foggy, dependent on caffeine just to exist, that's not discipline. That's your body asking for help. So, here's the truth. The goal is not to sleep less. The goal is to function better. If 8 hours works for you, perfect. If 6 works for you, also fine. Stop copying other people's sleep schedules. Your body is not a motivational coach. Because sometimes the most productive thing you can do is sleep properly and wake up feeling human again. Hi guys, if you have watched the video so far, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.